Today we're going to look at a restrictor unit that is located on your rural water supply tank and the frost plug that keeps popping out and how we're going to replace it. On your restricted tank you'll find the restrictor unit and the on-off ball valve. In a situation where the frost plug has blown, water will be squirting out of here at a great rate of knots. So to isolate that, we turn the ball valve off, remove the faceplate. Underneath the faceplate you'll find a filter which should be cleaned every 6 months, and they're available free from the council. Inside the housing itself is a seal, which is important that that's in place, and inside there is the jet unit, which you shouldn't need to interfere with. Take this off, the restrictor unit on a flat place, flat hard surface, push the frost plug into the faraway side to start with, making sure that that lip is over the edge, and then slowly lever the frost plug into place, the blunt instrument. And massage it around, and there it is, it's in. Okay, so now we've got the frost plug inside seated inside the faceplate. It's an opportunity to do some maintenance on your restrictor unit. Take the filter, have a good look at it, make sure it's not covered in material or any build-up of scale and so on. If it needs cleaning, stand back a little bit, open up your valve, water will come out this hole here, and give it a good wash out. Turn your valve back off so the water's isolated, put the filter back in, and then position and screw your faceplate on. Once the faceplate starts getting tight, hand tight, then give it a bit of encouragement with a flat piece of bar or a screwdriver, that sort of thing, and then turn the water back on slowly. If the unit does leak, you might need to put some thread tape around it by taking off the faceplate again, putting thread tape around it, and then putting it back on. If you do run into trouble, give council a call, we'll look into it, or seek help from a plumber or someone else who's capable of doing the work.